In this video, I will show you how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, just tap on Change Wallpapers, and from here, just select the wallpaper which you want to apply on the lock screen. You can select any of the featured ones available over here, or you can select any of the graphical options in the graphical section. Also, you have the option for colors. If you want to use a photo from the Gallery app as a lock screen wallpaper, then for that, just tap on Gallery and select any photo from the Gallery app. For example, I'll select this photo, then tap on Done. Now, if you want to set this wallpaper only on the lock screen, just make sure you only select the lock screen option and deselect the home screen option. After that, just tap on Next, and from here you can adjust the wallpaper on the lock screen. Now once you're done customizing the wallpaper, then just tap on Done to save. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the lock screen on your phone, as you can see, we have successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.